I guess because it's gonna take long. But alright, welcome to the vlog, people. We're going on the streets today. Got a number of plans today. So today we did all go to there's a little one and there's Nana. We were going to the city fair, Queen City X today, but now we're also going to a rider game. The Saskatchewan Rough Riders have a home game today, and both are in the Real District. So it's like I don't know how today is going to turn out because parking is going to be a nightmare. They're not offering any parking, so they're encouraging people to find alternate ways to go to the stadium. I don't know what that looks like right now. I'm thinking to beg a ride from somebody, but I don't know if they're available for that, so we'll see. Right now we're going to do a little bit of shopping. So now I'm going to the amusement park too. Folks, so we're here and we're gonna go check out Queen City X. I was about to do also at the Mosaic Stadium. It is. How are you liking your first rider game?
My dear, it is appalling.
We're still 2 hours to game time.
Huh?
We're still 2 hours to game time.
Really?
2 hours to 2 hours to game time?
I'm just looking at what I'm saying.
Y'all, it is hotter than Satan's sun out here. I swear to you. Listen, like, I'm never none. is dead and my battery is about to die. But we're headed back to Queen City X so that the little one can have some more fun before we head home. So we're headed back to the fair, Queen CDX today, so that the little one can get on some more rides. I don't know. I know I said that yesterday, but I don't know if I got caught on camera. And today's a cold day. So eating that beat over yesterday, it's cold today. Canada. You're not talking to me? You're mad at me? Because it seems like you are. You've been extra quiet. Like, I know you're quiet, but you've been extra quiet. I just don't want you to be worried. I don't want you to be mad at me, so I'm making sure. I don't know. I didn't assume. I'm just asking.
You ask because you assume.
No, me I check. That's not an assumption. That's checking.
It is an assumption. You know, to check something, you have to make an assumption about it.
I disagree.
You ever run one experiment before?
Yeah.
How do you run an
So
experiment?
if you have an hypothesis, right?
An hypothesis is an assumption.
Is it?
Yes. You're assuming that...
It's a question.
No. Well, yes, it's a question, but it's an assumption. You're assuming that every time you step, you go forward. And you're trying to prove it. That's the hypothesis.
Okay. This look kind of cute, no? I know we bought one, but she needs more. She needs outside shoes, but they're gonna have to be of better quality than the inside shoes. Ooh, I can get one of these. This is at 8? Is this a little bit 8?
It is at 8.
It looks very small for 8. I like these sneakers, guys. I need a black sneakers. I have a gray one that I wear all the time, but there they are. It's S for sport. It's a knockoff Skechers. The one I have is a Skechers, but it'll work. I want these. Thank you. Ready for you?
You ring actually hurt me.
Oh, I'm sorry. I want to tell you something. You see yesterday? We go up on a ride. We're in Walmart because Nana's the walking up and down beat Nana bad, so she's looking for sneakers.
And let me tell you the rest.
Wait. You want to tell the story? Okay. So you want to tell the story?
So yesterday we were on a ride last night, and then there's this roller coaster that goes all around, and then when she was going all around, she was terrified, and she was like, and she said after the ride, she said, keep our eyes on the hallway. And I'm like, Jesus.
So yeah, guys. So I have not been on a ride in years and years, right? So
Come here, cutie. Can't feel said Chivy. Can't feel said them tough.
We.
$50. Everything after $50. Can't feel saying they're tough. Anyway, so I haven't been on a ride in years and years and years. Okay, cool. So I wanted to have the experience with the child. So I said, all right, I'm gonna go on a ride, and I choose a ride that I thought, all right, this looks like it's a little bit of an adventure, but nothing too serious. But if someone was something go up in the ear and had us hanging down, I don't know what thought did not go through my head. Because first thing first, I said, Jesus, please suppose me pick me drop out of this. Second, if me drop out of this, then me say, hobby, who did act like him never scared? Like, me see it on his face and frightened. I said, God, when you put me down on the ground, I'm going up in that ear and give me 3 pints. Give me 3 pints. But let me tell you something.
Oh, give me away 3 pints.
Me need to give him 3 pints. Girl, wanna go again? You know? She kept her like it felt so bad. Like I could not keep my eyes open. Like after the first go, when we were upside down and literally hanging off from what felt like 10,000 feet in the air, I had to close my eyes. She eyes open the whole time. Woo! Me did that cost them whole existence. Girl said, ooh. In any event, we're gonna go back today. I'm just sitting from home and I go back in there. I'm not going to.
Why?
Go on a little ride and I might come with you. But if you're going on a big ride, you're on your paco.
What is wrong with you?
And we need to eat, so we're going to have breakfast first. Denny's might take a while.
No.
You know what, Woody? No what?
I don't want to go to Denny's.
Since when you know I got Denny's? You are Denny's head. Since when you know I got one? She said she don't want to go to Denny's, but I am going to assume she doesn't want to spend the time. At the time, can we get a quick breakfast somewhere? I don't know. Burger King?
Yeah.
What you want then? Would I eat that juicy?
Take a while, no.
Okay, let's go to like.
It's not the time. She just wants to go to the place.
But we're already late and the line was still long.
Anyway, you're tricky. Right.
All right, we got Denny's.
Why?
Shivy, if it weren't for you, we'd all be in bed. You understand? We would all be in bed.
We were already all be in bed. We were all.
There's a beer, so yeah, feel it cold through that? Nah. The cola come through, nah, long sleeve shirt. I want this some can take care of in face to face, which is highly unlikely considering how it feels out there. I'm having a good up hoodie, some jean pants, trusty Crocs, and jeans and sneakers and a t-shirt. Hey, you look good, though. You're cute.
Thank you.
Alright guys, I don't think I'm going to do much of any videoing today. Maybe just a little bit, but or maybe, I don't know. We'll see. But if you don't, it means I put on the phone and I was caught up in family time. Say bye.
Bye. Bye, vlog.
Guys, Denny's is generally busy, but it's like super busy today. Looks like everybody had the same idea we did, which is to come eat. Parking lot is full, which means inside is full, which means we're going to wait till what?
Matai paniting. Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Why does it take so long? No, you already did that one. You keep
Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will be alright. So we're about to get out of here. They're going to get the last couple tickets that her money can buy. Daddy has this. All you got. When that's done, it's time to go. Where? I just left the article on the website to see like that? Never again. Never again. Watch this. That feel like you feel your weight in your chest.